G'day guys, it's Glenn from iGear Photography, and well, we're out of lockdown. So during lockdown, all 107 days of it here in Sydney, whenever I looked like I was going to miss a sky, either sunrise or sunset, mostly sunset, obviously I couldn't go out and shoot that sky. So what I did is I set up my little DJI action camera, set it to time-lapse mode, and stuck it out my bedroom window. So what you're going to watch now is basically just a sequence of sunsets that I missed in the last 107 days. My little record of just some of the skies that I missed. So I sat at the window crying uncontrollably, missing beautiful skies as a landscape photographer would. Anyway, just a quick intro, just to let you know what you're about to see. Thank goodness we're out of lockdown for the time being. He's hoping our vaccination rates hold and we can get back to probably not what it was like pre-COVID, but at least some sense of normalcy. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you've all gotten vaccinated, and he's hoping to get out this weekend and start shooting some more vlogs. In the meantime, I'll talk to you soon.